In this video, we're going to look into a quick comparison between Gemini versus Apple Intelligence. So, the Google Gemini, it's actually Google's AI platform. So it handles like text, images, audio, video files, and also integrates with Google apps like Gmail Docs. Okay, it has a free tier plus premium features for you. So it's similar to like ChatGPT and stuff, where you just prompt in your chat with your in your natural language. You just chat and ask for whatever you need to be done, and it will be get done for you. Apple Intelligence here, actually Apple's move to integrate like AI more deeply across in Apple products like iPhones, iPads, Macs. It has like enhanced Siri, image tools, writing tools, native app integrations, and on-device processing when possible, and with privacy baked in. Google Gemini actually supports multiple languages, and there's wide availability on devices globally. Okay, and it has like a very strong in its very strong integration with Google's suite like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and everything, plus like Android features. Whereas Apple Intelligence here, it's actually the language just limited at the point now. Okay, and it's strongly within Apple's ecosystem like iOS, Mac operating system, apps, Siri, and all those system services. So which you want to use, so you can try use Apple Intelligence if you are looking for like absolutely privacy and keeping your data local, and you want deep integration with Apple hardwares and apps. Then Apple Intelligence would be an ideal option for you. But if you are dealing with creative tasks like large document work and multimodal AIs, you need like cross-platform or across non-Apple devices, then Google Gemini would be an ideal option in that way. Hope this information video helps.